of Americans. It is the invisible illness. It ranges from depression, to anxiety, to bipolar, to schizophrenia. Excuse me. I get excited. The month of May draws attention to us wearing lime green. Lime green is to promote mental health. Please do not be afraid to speak up, to be able to ask for help, to be able to understand that this is something that you could get some assistance in being able to address, to ask for help. We started back in 2001 as a pilot program on placing clinicians in schools, so it's now in 26 schools. We have a bill, H.R. 1211. It is a bipartisan bill that provides on-site mental health clinicians in schools. We must start addressing mental health issues at an early age because that's our future. I'm sorry. I've got a sore throat. Jill, come on. I'm going to start. Sorry about that.
Do you want me to read this? Yes. Or just go?
We must educate parents, administrators, families, and communities. We must learn the warning signs, extreme change in behavior, and verbal cues, stigma, including the media. We have to share mental health resources and use the National Crisis Hotline, 1-800-273-TALK, 24-hour confidential hotline, and it could also assist veterans.
Thank you so much. I'm sorry. It's just I have a
My
sore
pleasure.
throat. Thank you, my dear. Thank you. A pleasure to introduce some of the mental health task force, the members who share the message of hope. We want to reach and including especially our youth. But we have collaborated with mental health advocates through the years to bring more attention and to destigmatize the issue. First, I'd like to introduce, you just saw her move up and fill in for me, Jill Diamond, multiple Emmy winner, chair of World Boxing Council CARES, World Boxing Council Championship Committee, the NAFBF Female Championship Committee, does tremendous last few years promotion in mental health and WBC matches, including Mayweather-Pacquiao. And if you'll notice during those fights, they're wearing the green ribbon because and doing to help. Thank you so much, and thank you.
You've proven today that you speak so much about mental health that sometimes you can lose your voice because we have a lot to talk about. I'm here representing the American Foundation for Prevention, the nation's leading nonprofit dedicated to preventing suicide through education, research, and advocacy. As I'm reminded today with all of the school children walking around how important it is to raise awareness about mental illness, especially as people continue to grow. I was thinking about this morning, and the NFL, I think, has really done a great thing with educating youth about mental illness and concussions. And I think as we continue to educate more and more youth and they grow up, they're really going to be the next generation of people who can identify early and prevent mental illness, which ultimately leads to suicide. Unfortunately, our organization represents one of the worst case outcomes when it comes to untreated mental illness. But when we look at suicide, 90% of those that are completed take place with people with diagnosable mental illness. Like this, having today and also through the month of May. Again, thank you so much to Congresswoman Grace Napolitano for highlighting the importance of mental health awareness.
Thank you so very much. And as you can see, we have some